Hey guys, what is up? What's going on? It's Ashley and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is a makeup challenge video. I am pretty excited because it's been a while since the last time I did one of these videos. I am going to be filming the Beauty Guru Buys My Makeup challenge in this video. And I know some of you guys are probably sitting at home thinking, how is that even a challenge? Because us beauty girls on the internet pretty much know everything there is about putting together a full face of makeup. However, what if we put a little bit of a spin on it? What if we were each assigned a set of limitations after the products were chosen? You get me? No? Well, let me put it into perspective. Pretty much we're gonna have two beauty gurus picking each other's makeup to create two completely different looks. And then after that, we'll each pick out of this bowl. We'll pick out two rules and then we'll have to apply those rules to complete the look. So I'm excited. I think it's gonna be a really fun challenge. So if you guys are interested in seeing the beauty guru or meeting the beauty guru picking my makeup today, then
let go.
Hi guys, my name is Tanya, aka Kiss and Makeup 0514 here on YouTube, and Ashley invited me over today so we can do a super fun challenge for you guys. I also do beauty related videos on my channel as well, so if you guys can check that out after you watch this video, the link will be in the description bar for you guys, and let's just get right into this video.
All right guys, so I have my basket here. I'm gonna go through all of these drawers of makeup to find Tanya a full face. I honestly have no freaking clue. I'm gonna spare Tanya primer. Now we need foundation. Look for some complexion stuff. Oh shit, I'm dropping stuff on accident. She's a little dark. You think she's medium plus? She told me she got tan, so she'll make it work. What do you think? Why not? I don't know. Probably do this. I'm gonna go with the Makeup Forever new. These are loose pigment shadows in the bag. She needs lashes, so go with those. I know she's really picky about her brows. Damn. Black eyeliner, 0, Urban Decay. I picked out some really colorful eyeshadows, so I'm not gonna be like too fucked up. I'm gonna give her this one. This is what I got. Hopefully Tanya's able to create a bomb ass look with this. We'll see.
All right, so I'm gonna pick out Ashley's stuff. So I have something in mind I wanna do. There was one thing I wanted to get from here. Oh, where is it? Okay, I wanna get her foundation. Let me grab this primer. Strobe lights. We're gonna use that today. She's not gonna wear that. Oh my God, this is hard. No, we're going in different here. And we're gonna make it work with that. Let me see. Color correction palette. Yes, let's take this. Oh no, I can't do that to her. I can't do that to her. I can't do that to her. This is good. A lip plumper. Where's her eyelashes? I don't even know what I'm getting at this point. right here. And we good. Oh, you know what? Let me grab one of these concealers here. She's just gonna have to deal with it. I know Ashley tried to play me, so done. Got everything.
We went ahead and organized everything on our stations. We are now gonna do the second part of the video, which is essentially picking out of this bowl right here. Now in this bowl is a list of different challenges. We each pick 2 and we have to stick to those challenges to create our look. So not only do we have like a bunch of mumble jumble products that each of us picked out, we also have to follow these rules. So I'm going to mix up the bowl and each one of us is gonna pick out 2 different pieces of paper and we have to follow that challenge in our makeup look. So let's get it going.
I'm scared. Okay.
All right, go ahead.
2?
2.
Okay. Please God, don't get me nothing with the brows.
All right, so I have create an editorial makeup look.
Great.
And
she got a good one.
Create your eye look with only shimmers. Okay.
So I got create a new eyebrow trend. Oh, I'm gonna look like a dick. And then apply wing liner before eyeshadow with no touch-ups.
Damn, that shit would have been.
I set her up for success, but she actually got sabotaged with her challenges. So
That's just karma.
we're gonna roll with it. That's karma for real.
Karma hit me hard.
It did.
Let go.
So I'm gonna start off with the Smashbox. This is the Vlada Petal Metal Primer. Oh, it's not even open yet.
Wow, this elf primer smells weird. And it's like really, really like tacky. I kind of like that.
This primer has color to it.
Does it? You said that your foundation didn't have enough coverage, so there you go. My brow's about to look bleaky.
Oh, this is not that bad. I look a little shimmery, but... So I'm going to go in with the MAC Next to Nothing foundation that Ashley picked out for me.
She mad. She's really mad.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be terrible. So while she struggles over there, I think we should tell them how we met. Tell them our love story.
Our love story? How did we meet? Like, I think we met in New York.
Mm-hmm.
I actually noticed I was upstairs in the lounge of, what was it, BeautyCon?
Yeah, and then you spotted Ulises first.
Yeah, I spotted Ulises first, and I was like, oh shit, that's Ulises. And I was with Myra, right?
Karina.
What was it? Oh, I was with Karina.
Uh-huh.
Karina Garcia. I was with her, and we approached you, and we wanted to take a picture.
I was like, hey.
Yeah.
It was cool because, like, now, like, I don't know. I guess I would have never thought that we'd be sitting next to each other filming a video.
Nope. I don't know how we kind of, like, linked up.
Yeah.
Like, I think me being in Florida, right?
Yeah. So Tanya would write me on Snapchat, and I felt like we talked so much on Snapchat that I was like, girl, just text me. Like, you know, because, like...
Yeah, because we started talking, what, like 2 years ago?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, we started talking, like...
And we'd write each other a lot.
Yeah.
Like, on Snapchat.
Like, on Snapchat, and then we started texting, like, a couple of years ago, right? Like,
Yeah.
like 2 years ago. I'm so used to having full coverage, and I'm not getting the coverage that I want.
Girl, you better use your concealer. Mix it with some concealer. Let me stop giving her all the tips. Anytime I do my brows, it's like so ugly. Like,
Your
look
brows?
at this. I look crazy. What, I got a hair on this? Girl, my brow's about to be nice.
What shade is this?
I think my brows need to be like, I don't know, different. This Editorial.
Yeah, I think so too. I think you need to make them a little different too. It's not giving me no coverage at all. Like, I can still see this pimple right here. Thank you, Ashley. Appreciate that.
You're welcome. You know I like to look out for my people.
I gave you some good foundation.
Dang, I don't have
Oh, this is too... Is this too light for me to use?
Dang, like new products, don't you hate like when you have to like... So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 220 to clean up my brows.
Excuse me, I'm struggling over here. Like, I'm struggling with this foundation.
Like, it's not even building.
No. Like, what is wrong with MAC?
It's
Brush?
next to nothing, girl.
I gave you
I knew you didn't need that coverage.
I do need the coverage. All right, we're just gonna have to let it roll like this. There ain't nothing more I can do for this. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, and I'm just gonna go in.
Have you ever used it?
Uh-huh. You said you didn't do me dirty? Really? I think I hooked you up comparing to what you did to me.
What?
Like,
No, considering my challenge.
this is way too, Ashley.
You said you like a light under eye, girl.
Yeah, but
These brows are not working out. It takes me forever to do my brows.
this looks like a complete mess. I'm just gonna forewarn you guys now that this is not the way I do my makeup.
She didn't even get me a mascara, and I even told her. She sat down, and she's like, I think I got
You don't even need a mascara.
Yeah, I do.
Why? Just throw those lashes
Yeah.
on.
But I didn't get eyelash glue. So
Do you see what's going on with my face right now?
I told you not to go to the beach.
Oh my god.
I told you. We're gonna be here for a minute.
Build up a little bit.
Think about Ashley's still on her first brush.
I'm trying to. I done used half the bottle of foundation already.
Dang, I feel bad now. I'm sorry.
Okay, this is the best it's gonna get. I can't.
You want to use a lifeline? So I might as well just pick your makeup blindfolded.
You might as well. Ashley. Let's try the infallible. I don't know any artist that can make a different foundation match. Like,
You could have mixed it with your concealer.
the concealer is way too light.
Well, you could have added a little bit of concealer to make it just a little bit lighter and with a little bit more coverage.
I already look like I have bronzer on. I already look like I have bronzer on. I don't even have to put any on.
I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. You guys know I like to prime my eyelids with concealer. Ooh, just going to go ahead and buff this out all over my eyelid. I actually really like this foundation. It's like $6, under $6.
I mean, you over there having a grand old time, and I'm struggling with my life over here.
Hey, I haven't got to the hard part yet. The editorial look, and I have to use only shimmers. I'm gonna use the Photo Focus foundation all over because I'm doing an editorial look, so my...
Oh, you got the right shade for your foundation.
Oh, yes.
I'm just gonna
Girl, I tried. You said you were tan, so it threw me off.
I'm a little tan, but next to nothing. You know how I roll, full coverage. All right, so I'm gonna use this CoverGirl.
This challenge is all about stepping outside of the box. Okay? Okay.
So my challenge was to do eyeliner before anything else. So all I did was conceal my eyes. So I'm gonna just do my eyeliner.
Dang, you did that wing nice. Teach me that. Teach me the movement. Y'all saw that? It was like, y'all saw that? It was like, it was like swift. Let me find out. What brush is that?
MAC 210 brush.
Do I need it?
I always use it to use my
So
eyeliner.
I need it.
Yeah.
Okay then.
I don't like this eyeliner. It's very
Really?
dry. It's really dry.
Really?
Yeah.
But it looks really pigmented. You probably just need to add some oil to that.
If a bitch had oil, I would add it. But I'm like, I'm limited here with what I got.
Girl, you look good. What are you talking about?
Uh-huh.
Watch, everybody's gonna think I sabotaged you when I was the one who was sabotaged.
Yeah, they're gonna come for you on your comments.
They are. I have no idea what shade this concealer is because it doesn't say, but I'm gonna use it to conceal.
I mean, the eyeliner came out okay.
I think your eyeliner always looks good. Do you normally use gel or do you normally use liquid?
Gel, and then I top it with liquid.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay Kristen Leanne eyeshadow palette, and I think I'm gonna use...
I never used that, so let me know how it is.
Really? Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna use Daydream first. That's this shade right here.
Oh, this concealer is not bad. I thought it was gonna be really sheer. Yeah, so Tanya's challenge was to do her eyeliner before her eyeshadow without touching it up. So if she got like shimmer or anything on it,
I smeared it.
you smeared it, Lucy?
Yeah.
Should let that thing dry. Obviously it wasn't. I'm not ready. I'm probably gonna look like a clown. Cause
This
like,
is like...
let's be real. I don't
Okay.
know how to do editorial.
Okay, this is my eye look. We're gonna go with this today.
I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Makeup Forever loose powder. Tanya is moving. She is moving. I look ashy.
That's not my problem.
Wow, you sabotaged me.
Me?
Look at
Oh
my face.
Hello, have you seen this foundation on me?
You
Have you
Lucy,
seen
look
my
at look how
eyes?
ashy my under eyes look. It's editorial. Maybe I want to look at it.
Maybe you want to be pale.
Maybe I want to be pale, so I'm just put it
She wants to be a
everywhere.
geisha. I roll with it.
I'm just gonna should have just skipped powder.
Actually, you've been working on the same spot for like... Your face looks mad powdery.
Bro, you gave me that white castor powder, so I had to like save myself. I wasn't going to self-sabotage. No, you would have kept going. The real makeup artist in me was like, this can be fixed.
Yeah, she's playing me right now. Okay, we're gonna use this Ofra.
I'm going to play the Oompa Loompa song for you in a minute.
like this. We're just gonna use this Ofra highlighter and Rodeo Drive.
Dang, that's a beautiful highlighter.
It's my favorite.
I knew it was. Whoa! We need to revoke your license, baby.
Why? Wait a minute. Aren't you supposed to be creating a shimmer? look?
Yes, this is my base, so I can make those shimmers pop.
Is that cheating?
No.
Oh.
For my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the Electric Pop by Kevin Aquan. It literally has all shimmers in it, so what are the odds? I'm taking this blue color and I'm putting it all over that black.
I'm so salty over here. Like I don't want to say nothing.
I feel like the black is really making the blue pop though.
In my defense, I had crappy foundation. I had the worst thing eyeliner before eye makeup, and she gets an editorial look.
All right, so this is my first shadow. I have to use a minimum of 4. I'm now gonna go in with this kind of like light green here. Who uses shimmer like this in the crease?
Actually, I want to go home. I want to go home. I hate myself.
It's supposed to be fun.
This is so bad.
No one's gonna take it seriously.
Okay, I could do XOXO on this side. And what else is a game? And Hangman on the other side. There we go.
And you thought yours was bad.
Horrendous.
I'm gonna take some of that green lipstick she picked out for me. This actually feels like it was done on purpose. Like the challenges that we picked. Because like what are the odds of me getting like all these funky colors and getting editorial?
What are the odds of me getting something with my brows that, you know, I hate messing with my brows like this. So I'm going to go in with this Pop Beauty lip, and this one is in Razzle Rose. And I have no eyeliner. No
lip liner.
I have no lip liner, so. Ulises, which one is better? Like, obviously, Ashley
no.
did better.
Yours actually looks better than mine.
If you
She did a good job.
If we were to go out.
Oh my god.
Like,
we're not you keep saying that. You
like
keep
if
trying
no,
to drag me
no,
outside.
I'm not. I'm saying if we were to go out, people would look at me and be like, "What do you have on your face?" Versus you. Did you get in a fight with a little child? Did your daughter do that? Yeah. I just went to a birthday party.
Yeah. Freaking tic-tac-toe and Hangman.
All right, guys, so this is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys got a good laugh. Hopefully you guys liked it. I mean, hopefully you didn't take this like too seriously.
No, because we wouldn't walk around in the street looking like this. No.
I mean, she would. I would.
No. No. I ain't going on the street like this. So guys, we did film a video over on my channel and I transform Ashley into me. So if you guys want to see that, just head over to the description bar, click that link, and you will be headed over to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you guys.
Deuces.